Creek Nature Center near Rensler Falls, New York. This is basically the path to go around all the swamps, see the frogs and the lily pads and turtles. My dog is running all over, taking the drone out. I'm doing a YouTube video. Oh, the dragonflies. Yeah, there's a lot of them around here. And Dutch is when we get down, we gotta get checked for ticks. I don't remember if this one that goes to the bird blind or not. Hoping it's the right trail. Well, Dutch, got you and camera being out of control.
She's in a hurry.
Well, good. I hope it wears her out. Got beaver. Yeah, sometimes you see pretty cool beaver dams down here. Ah! Duchess, what are you doing? That's why I told you, you gotta watch her all second.
No, I almost tripped over that stick. Duchess, no.
That's how she is. A split second, she wants to get into things. Now just relax.
Berries. Blueberries.
Yeah, I wouldn't trust eating them. This is the dog being bad.
Oh, that's poison ivy.
I don't know. I don't touch anything. Did you say bird blind? I'm looking for the bird blind. I think it was the other one. That's just we're going this way. See, Dutch? Let's go, Dutch. I know I'm hearing people. Is she doing her pulling bull crap still? Well, she's not gonna run. Pretty soon she doesn't knock it off, she's gonna get a little slapped. To me, it seems like no one's been out here for a while. Oh, for a minute I was like, are you serious? I thought this was the end. Yeah, they've changed this a lot. That's just we're going this way. Yeah, I'm looking for the bird blind, but they used to say at the beginning of the trails. That's just, we could take off and leave her in here. Why are you laughing?
I know you would.
Yeah, we're far from the bird blind. I think it was that other trail. Yeah, I'm not going in this. Yeah, I'm not going down this.
Come on back.
It's all muddy down there. We would have hit the bird blind way before now. Big hole right there, Dutch. Woodchuck probably. One place I've never been to is the Wild Center, Tupper Lake. I guess you walk these planks way above the trees. But she'd be scared anyways. What?
I wouldn't be.
You said you didn't like heights.
Yeah, but I'd still do it.
Just getting. So I will bring in Lansing Falls. You don't stop, Dutches.
That is the waterfall.
You don't have to worry about waterfalls here, Dutches. They've added all these new trails on. So the trail over, I think we were supposed to. Oh, Jesus, Dutches. Dog stopping every 5 seconds to go pee. Well, she likes it out here, and she's stalling because she wants to stay out here. He's like, yes, it's not Lansing Falls. She's out of control. Yeah, the dog is out of control, and the girlfriend. Wonder if there's any bear. I know I hear people around here. This is ghost of Indians. Where are you going?
We're not going that way.
No. It's a mile trail and I don't know where it goes. More times we can come here this year. What's the matter, Duchess? You're running awful quick. She's running all over the place here. And pretty soon it's going to be where I can't run the drone if it gets too dark. Getting close to that time. We're now until the next one.